Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with another Signature Stories album. This is the travel album. This one was designed by uh, Jeannie Phillips. She took my basic album and she did it up travel style. And wait till you guys see what I have in here for you all. First, let's talk paper. We used the Paper Studio stack by Hobby Lobby, and it's titled Venture the World Awaits. So this one right here, and it's gorgeous. She did the entire album with the full closure and with signature stories. There are two album styles: the regular album without the closure, and then with the closure. So it's amazing. So I'm going to tell you about Signature Stories if you don't know what it's about as I flip through, so it's not, I'm not boring you guys with the details. So all of the album cover inside covers are exactly the same. What changes are the page designs. So I teamed up with designers, SVG designers or graphic designers, and they took my basic album and they're they're creating files based on a theme, files that create these beautiful looks on the pages. So this one in particular is travel. All right, so look at this. This is my stacked pocket right here, but done up in this gorgeous cityscape arrangement that you see here. This pocket here has these fantastic cutout arrows, which just looks amazing. And then here you have two pockets here. Again, my stacked pocket with this fun and relax here. And this doesn't finish. Here is this pocket here and this pocket here. Love this. Says the adventure begins. Then you have this gorgeous edge right here. Just beautiful. Look at this. So what is amazing about these albums is that the paper no longer dictates the theme of your album. It's already a theme. You can pick any paper you want. This particular paper has airplanes on it, all sorts of travel references. But if you want this gorgeous floral paper that you think will look great with where you went and the colors that you love, you can absolutely use it here because the theme is already done for you. Okay, so this comes to you via SVG files. All right, you get videos, the files to cut everything out, and instructions. I walk you along every step by step on assembling this album. In order to make these Signature Stories albums, you do need an electronic cutting machine. That's either a Cricut. Look at this pocket with these photo mats in here. A Cricut, Silhouettes, an Eclipse. I mean, there's a bazillion cutting machines out there that cuts SVG files. I just named a couple of them. So you absolutely have to have a cutting machine in order to make these work. All right. So look. Look at the acetate on the back of this arrow. There's acetate there. Check out the camera pocket. I don't want to move it around too much because then you get so much glare. But check out this camera pocket. How fun is that? So you put your goodies in here. All right, and it's double-sided. Everything is beautifully finished for you on the back. It's beautiful on the front and on the back. Check out this pocket here. All right, so it's got this built-in closure, which is super fantastic. And you flip that over. Look at the fun matting here. Just amazing, amazing matting. Now, check this pocket out, guys. This opens up. This is a pocket right here. You put goodies in it. It's got some acetate. It's just beautifully, beautifully done. I cannot it's so gorgeous. I can't say enough about it. Look at the matting, how perfect here. Check out this edge on this page here. Just beautiful. What's wonderful about Signature Stories is if there's a cut that doesn't apply to you, you don't have to use that cut. You use the basic design, and you'll see an album in the basic design in another video. So, and I'll give you an example of that. Like for instance, look at this page here. All right, beautiful for a 5x7. You've got a pocket here. Look at this beautiful pocket here. And by the way, this one is this one over here. So whatever you put back here, that's what you see there. And then look at the closure here. Isn't that fantastic? Amazing. So you put this together, guys. You cut all of the images out and you put it together, and I'm there with you every step of the way. So I will tell you that some of the images, some of the cuts have changed. So in the next album, you'll see this one a little bit different. A same exact thing. It's just that the way the page was cut is different. All right, so some things have changed here. This is the original design that we just go back and forth with changing things to get it perfect. So check that out. How wonderful. Look at this spread for photos. There are no photo mats in here just yet, all right? These are just photos on the pages, okay? So these albums they're large albums. The pages these are 10 by 10 and a half, and there are six pages, 7 with the signature page if the album has a signature page. Otherwise it's 6 pages. But this album is for pictures, all right? This is not just to look cute, pattern paper, and that's it. You put it on the shelf and you're done. No, you're going to put your pictures in here, okay? So this is one of the things that changes. Like for instance, look at this absolutely adorable shaker, but you can't shake it in here, right? Because it's in the album. The album is large. So this change, you'll be able to pull a shaker out and shake it up, all right? But it's a shaker, okay? So when you open this will actually pulls out and you can grab it and shake it and all that good stuff, okay? So check it out. Look at the beautiful shapes on these pages. I absolutely love them. If you want to pick up this album, the link is down below. Um, this has over, I don't know, over 100 cuts. And if you buy something like this in let's say like in the Silhouette store, this would cost you $200, all of these cuts. You get that for way less. All right. Some of these albums are priced differently. So you just have to click on the link below and you'll see the pricing. All right, guys. But it's amazing the price point on these albums. Look at this here. Isn't that gorgeous? Look. So here's one thing I want to point out. This is where I wanted to point out. If you didn't take a train anywhere on your vacation, you don't have to cut this out. You can use the basic page and it'll all make sense to you if you watch the basic album, the video for the basic album. So you don't have to have the train. You just cut the basic page and done. All right? You could just stay with this. Dun 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 dun. I'm coming to the signature page, which is amazing. Look at this. How gorgeous this pocket. Always take the scenic route. And over here, I love this geotag here. How fun. Love, love, love. Look at this. Saw this, did that. Isn't that great? Okay, just my deconstructed pocket here, done all up in this travel theme. Nice photo mat here. And look at the back side of that. Now check. This is what I call my signature page. Check this page out. It's shaped obviously into a suitcase. Look at the detail on here with the suitcase, with the luggage tag. Look at the back, how gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And shall I show you the inside of this, all of the photo mats that you get? Let me make sure I got them all. Yep, you got all the photo mats there. So you get this little bracket photo mat. You get the passport photo mat. Look at the airplane photo mat. How freaking cool is that? A portrait and a landscape. You get the camera photo mat. Okay. The large bracket. The oversized luggage tag, which is so fabulous. And then, of course, with any suitcase, you have to have clothes in it, right? So you get some shorts and a t-shirt. How cute is that? Just adorable. So you get the files for these as well with your purchase of the Signature Stories Travel. Again, everything is linked down below for you for if you have any questions, anything. So it's perfectly bound. It has my hidden hinge plus a binding system. Look at this here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You don't have to make every single page if you don't want to. I just like to give you a good bang for your buck. So I gave you 6 beautifully designed pages that you can lose some elements if you don't want them. You can leave an element out if you don't want it. or you can do it exactly the way you see here. Okay, check out this tag page, how fantastic this is. I love it so much. Everything is just beautifully done. Look at this. Look at this pocket. Isn't that amazing? There is more matting here that's available for this page, and you'll see that in the second version. I don't know if this is my most favorite page or not, but I love them. I love them all so much, including this one. This one may be amongst my top 3. How's that? So this changes in the album, in the cuts that you get. It's this image on both sides here, the Route 66, and this is actually acetate. All right, so you'll notice that this is see-through. Okay, look at the cutouts on these pages here. Look at this. This is another one that changes. This one is actually acetated see-through, but look at this. How amazing is that? I got to tell you guys, you only get things like this here on Paper Phenomenon. This is something that you have not seen anywhere. All right, these are projects I like to bring you super cool and unique things, and here it is, guys. All right, just gorgeous. That opens up, opens up. Look at the spread for photos. So notice that there are no extra embellishments here. All of the embellishment is done with the files, with the SVG files. All right, you do not have to buy nothing else but paper, cardstock, and chipboard. Okay, and obviously the workshop. So if you have lots and lots of paper, all right, you can make this. And if you have a cutting machine, of course. And I'm going to say many of us have cutting machines that we probably never used. And you've been looking for the right thing to use it, right project to use it with. Here it is. Okay, you're going to put that baby to work. Look at this. Ah, it's so gorgeous. Love that. And then you have these 3 little tabs here for just to tuck in some photos. Just dynamite. And there is that piece. Look at this. Look at how fun. There's another change here. This is actually acetate, not the black cardstock. Here is acetate, not the black cardstock. But those are 2 pockets. Okay. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a suitcase edge. Look at that, how dynamite that is. There is this pocket here and another pocket here. This is just so fabulous. And look, oh my goodness, it's just dynamite. Absolutely dynamite, you guys. You're gonna love this. And just imagine this with pictures in it. How absolutely gorgeous it's going to look. Check out those airplanes. They're taking off. Here it says arrivals, departures, baggage claim with a super cute suitcase here. And it opens up. It just keeps on unfolding, guys. Unpack, unpack, unpack. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Snapshots. That opens up some more there. Just perfect, perfect, perfect. I love this taxi right here. So cute, this taxi. And enjoy the journey. That opens up for this gorgeous spread. Love it, love it, love it. And there's the airplane. There's the back of that. Love this airplane. And look at this edge here. This is completely, completely unique, guys. So unique. And are you ready for this? Look at this pocket. I can't take it. I can't take it. It's so spectacular. So amazing. I love it. And you haven't even seen all the details yet. There's so many pockets in here that I'm missing them. But what I want to show you is all of the unique cuts that you get with this travel signature stories. Look at that. Look at that. How cute. Super duper duper cute. There's more amazing goodness coming your way. Look at that. This is a side pocket. Isn't that spectacular? Ah, gorgeous. I love it. I love everything about it. There's the back cover if you're using this paper. The spine is this brown polka dot here. This is a 4-inch album. All right, it is loaded with goodness. Signature Stories, guys, the travel version. I've already showed you the wedding. There's a basic There's the video for the basic album, so you know exactly what you're getting. I hope you love it. Stay tuned. I'm going to have another version of this travel album in a different paper. So enjoy. Check your links down below. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.